Hi there, Mark here. Welcome to my video of my unboxing of my birthday present. Yeah, it's my birthday today and my lovely wife has bought me a, let's get this, it's a bit of a mouthful, a Team Repsol Mitsubishi Rally R Racing Lancer. There you go. I believe it's on a DF01 chassis. And I've got Rob here on the camera.
Hiya.
Hi mate, and let's get this thing unboxed. So look what we got inside. Apparently this was a copy of the car that was in the, I think it's 2009 Paris Dakar Rally. So nice off-road kit to go with some of the off-road cars I've got. First thing up we've got, unusually, a TBU 101 controller. So normally get the normally get the TBLE. That'll do to start with. A nice addition to this kit, we've got the Tamiya LED light controller kit there. I think we've got 4 LEDs, so that will be just the 2 front lights and the 2 rears. I think we've got 2 reds and 2 whites. That should look nice. I've not had any LEDs on my cars before. We've got whole parts bag there. We'll open that in a minute.
Big bag.
It's a big bag of heavy stuff. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Okay, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll grab these out of the box and we'll just quickly open up these plastic packets so we can have a look inside. We've got the tub there. Let's just move this, we'll get the rest of this out in a minute. So first things first, we've got a nice monocoque tub. Very similar, this DF01 to my TAO2 by the look of it, isn't it Rob?
It is, yeah.
Yeah, got that honeycomb in there to give it a bit of extra strength. So that's your basic bathtub chassis. Quick open of these bags. These look like, can't tell. That's a strengthening part, I think, for the body post. I'm not 100% sure there.
Or is that the snorkel?
It might be. Oh yeah, there's a snorkel in there. I'm not sure. We'll find out.
Yeah.
Yeah. These are the suspension arms there. So 4 of them, some of the shock parts. What else we got? We've got gearbox cases by the look of that. Suspension tower. And the 12mm wheel hexes. More suspension parts. These are for the wheel shafts, aren't they?
Yeah, they're the rear ones.
Yeah, they'll be the rear non-adjustable, non-steering. The C-arms, the C-cups for the steering. And then the last bag, we've got the other gearbox, casing, suspension mount, that looks like a motor mount. And one of the diffs I reckon will go in there. It's another gearbox. Yep. And the 4-wheel drive will come out of there, I think, won't it?
Looks like it.
Being a 4-wheel drive off-road car. Bumpers, I think that goes on top of the battery cover and a few other brackets there. So that's that. Let's have a look in the big parts bag. I'm not going to open all of these, we'll just see what we've got. Standard can, I'm not sure whether I'm going to fit that at first. I'll have a think about it. I've got a few spare lower turn brush motors that I might put on first. I've got a 21 that might go on. We'll see. We've got the mini shock bodies in there.
Yep.
There's the front steering, what do you call them Rob? Steering arm, steering knuckles, yeah.
Something like that.
So yeah, that's that. Some kind of spacers, aren't they? Oh, they're LED stoppers for the LEDs.
Right.
Screws and R-clips for the body. There's your metal drive shaft for the 4-wheel drive. These will be for the shocks or the steering, probably steering. There's nuts and bolts there. I'm going to go too fast for you, Rob, you alright?
Yep, I'm fine.
Cool. Obviously these are the springs for the shocks, tiny bottle of oil.
Yeah, blue.
Blue, what's that then, Rob?
That's medium.
Medium. I might.
Is it
400
or
yeah.
600? No, it might be 600.
600, so it's quite a stiff one.
Yeah.
That's for Pete.
Half an hour.
There you go, Pete. For half an hour. I might try one of my other shock oils I've got over here. I think I've got a 700 or an 800. I've got a few, there's a 700. I might put the 700 in. I like a bit of a firmer shock. So,
nice and firm.
yeah, I do really. It seems to suit my driving style. I'll just have a quick look in this part B bag again. Get myself a pot so I don't get mixed up. So these are the diff gears. Some metal shafts. All metal, yeah. Thank goodness. Got the steel drive cups and some lovely bushings.
Yeah.
I guess what, Rob? Guess what I've ordered?
Oh, I don't know. What could it be?
It might be some bull races. Is that what you're going to say?
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, I've ordered the bull race. They're not going to go in, as if you know me, can't stand those things, they're not going to be fitted. We've got metal drive shafts, which is nice in there, another diff set, and some of those lovely plastic bushes again. Okay, so that's B, that's A. I'll stick the drive shafts in there. Those out the way. This is one of those U brackets, isn't it, that generally you push in so it holds the low suspension arms, isn't it, normally? So that'll be what that's for, which I quite like that design, to be fair.
Probably the front.
Most probably the front.
Seeing as there isn't two.
We haven't looked in the manual yet, so
yeah.
There we go. So we've gone through all of those.
Yes, we have.
There we go. Let's get the box back up. Shall we have a look at the shell then?
Why not?
Why not, sir? There we go. Nice detailed body shell there.
Yeah.
Quite like that. We've got a lot of pre-drilled holes in this. I think there is a snorkel or something supposed to go on the side. So
yes, at least they're cut out.
At least they're cut out, which is more than I can say for the wheel arch. Is my favourite bit. But yeah, it looks like quite a tricky paint and sticker job on this. So over there we've got your body posts for mounting the body on, obviously. Some red plastic parts here. I'm not sure what these are.
Are they for the lights?
These look like the light buckets, which it says paint black, I think, Rob. So why produce them with red plastic? I don't know, but yes, they are the light buckets that I'll need to spray. But luckily I've got some satin black left somewhere, so
cool.
That'll be good. These are for the diffs, the diff gears. I think that by looking at this, there's two different types in here, I'm not sure. No, this is for the 3 bevel gears, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. And these will be for the transfer gears for the shaft drive, and there's the spur. We get 2 packs the same, obviously front and rear differentials, but because they're the same packs, it looks like we've got a spare pinion, which is useful. Just spur. I keep doing that, don't I?
You do.
So
on me.
if we do have a problem and get any wear on one of these, at least I've got a spare already there, so that's not too bad. Quite like that. We're getting near the end now, guys. There's 4 tyres, which don't look to me particularly rally tyres, to be fair. I think they look similar to the ones that I got on my Landfreeder CC01. Not sure. They do look very similar, but I don't think those will really be that good on rough terrain.
No.
Again, being 4-wheel drive, it'll probably get away with it, but
yeah. We'll see when it's built.
We'll see, and obviously also I can always change those for some rally blocks or something if I'm struggling for grip. Okay, last bag, here we go, the wheels. A quick look. It's quite nice, kind of satiny grey colour. And the sticker pack and window mask pack. So I shan't bother opening that. Oh my gosh, that shocked me. I'm going to have fun with these, aren't I, Rob?
Yep.
Look at this.
I'll tell you what, on this monitor you can't tell how day glow that orange is.
Well, it might come out on the video, guys, and
Yes.
see what you think, but they are really day glow. And looking at these, it looks like they're going to have to go around a lot of these curves, so we're going to have as much fun as we did with the Lances, I think, with this one. That looks like quite a tricky job, but I will do a build video as I always do, so we'll see how it goes. My favourite bit, this is just for Pete Wiley, there we go, mate.
Whee!
And Holly Hill, I think he commented
Wibbly
on
wobbly,
my wibbly
wibbly
wobbly
wobbly.
aerial, so I will be using that.
Wibbly wobbly.
I was going to ask you, Rob, have you got any redundant 27 meg receivers now you've got your new one?
Just I might have one or two.
You got a nice second-hand price for me there, mate?
Yeah, definitely, mate.
Cool. So yeah, I'll be putting my favourite old vintage controllers in this. So yeah, but quick look at the manual there. It doesn't say on here, does it? I don't think DF01, but that's what I've read that it is, a DF01 chassis. Looks extremely like my TA02. Very, very similar from first looks. So yeah, we've got the differentials with the 3 bevel gears, motor, gearboxy, suspension. So yeah, going through that U-pin, U-shaped shaft it says. Looks like it's going in the front like Rob said. Not sure about the rears yet. Got the dampers, which are oil filled as we've seen. Looks pretty straightforward, really.
Should have it done in a couple of minutes, mate.
Well, yeah, a few hours maybe, Rob. A few hours. Well, for the chassis, but
yeah.
when we come to this,
Yes,
that looks much more complicated. And it's a 2-stage paint job, Rob, as well. It's saying here to paint red separately and then white. So that'll be fun. Look at all this masking now. Thank you. I don't think I'll be doing it like that. So there we go. This is, as I said, my birthday present. I'm not telling you which number birthday it is. I've kind of forgotten as the years have gone by.
21, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it. Thanks, Lou, for my lovely present. I'm going to enjoy building this. I hope you're going to follow along and watch the build and hopefully get this thing thrashing around with some of the cars. Thanks for watching along, and I hope to see you soon.
Cheers. Bye.
Cheers.